Hey guys, Charles here, and today I wanted to show you my Everlast book. One kind of neat thing about this thing is it is made in America. Now, super important, you want to make sure you always follow this. Don't microwave this notebook. You know, you're like, what? Well, apparently the other version, the one that you can reuse a couple of times, the Wave, you can microwave it, but this one we can't. But here's the deal. So you see all these little icons? These icons correlate to these icons at the bottom of the page. And then within the software, you can say, make this email, send this to Slack, send this to Dropbox, and so on and so on and so on. There's all kinds of cool little things you can do. So if I take a look here, here's like some examples that it came with, right? You know, chuck it into Evernote, Dropbox, email, all kinds of cool stuff. I love the Slack integration. That's my favorite. So one thing I've learned is this is the pen, right? Let's go ahead and turn it around. This is the pen it comes with, right? Ooh, it's an erasable pen. This is the pen this is the pen kit you buy. Now, what I did find is if you use this pen, which looks insanely similar to this one, you will destroy the page. I've already lost one page because I wrote a full page of notes with the wrong pen. So you got to make sure you use the right pen, okay? So the colors are kind of cool. So here's the pen, right? Don't need that anymore. Okay. So we're going to take this pen, and here's the note. And it actually writes pretty smooth, right? I'm going to say, let's try and do it like this. So this is a test. Hashtag I'm actually looking at the screen, it's quite trippy. Okay, it writes pretty slick. Now I can take another color pen, sorry about the area. Here we are. Take another pen, click that bad boy, right, and I could draw my poor attempt of a person. Let's give him big ears, let's give him some hair. Right, it's a normal pen, it's a normal paper. So basically what you do is you say, okay, pretend this one says Slack. I go like that, and I want this to Slack, and I want this to email. So what it'll do is when I take a picture of this note with the app, it's going to send it to Slack and send it to email. So what I'll do is after the video, I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. So, you know, kind of cool. And then when you're done, right, what I'm going to do, just because I want to take a picture of this one, I'm just going to erase my dude, right? Goodbye. Goodbye. And he's gone, right? And then you just dry that. And now my dude's gone. You can see it's a little bit wet, but give it a minute, it'll air dry. So that's kind of cool. You could do, comes with, I think, 30 odd pages of notes. So, I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to send an update to this video every so often. We'll see where it goes. Alright guys, talk to you soon.